Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add preferences to your account on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this Me button down below, which is the second option. And after that you should scroll down and then tap on this preferences section down below. Here you can add your preferences in terms of food and drink. As you scroll down you can set dietary preferences such as gluten-free, pescatarian, vegan and so on. And then you can set your lifestyle, accessibility if you have any things to do as your preferences, other interests. And when you are done, click on the Add Preferences button down below and then your profile will be updated, as you can see it here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.